Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I've already redesigned it, and I've got it to be 6 inches across, and I've got my nudge factor set on 6. I'm just going to make a small one, but you can see the line between them. So if you go ahead and do it kind of in this order, you go left click, right click, and then we're going to get the zoom in, and we're going to get the virtual segment delete key, and we're going to delete these lines. Some of them, basically they're double lines. We want the other line so we can kind of snap to it. But then if we take this and Control D and then move them down at this angle, we only really have to delete the lines between the twirl colors. And if you do this each time, you won't have to do them as many. I'm not worried. Well, you know what? Why don't we just go ahead and get rid of that line? I didn't even think about that. Whoop. You want to make sure you don't do that. You don't want to get rid of your twirl and get rid of that line. And if you hold down your Alt key, you can kind of swipe through there and hopefully get all 3 of them at one time. I'm not concerned too much about the outside lines, but if you do this one time to this one, then you won't have to do it next time. So we're going to go Control D. You know what I'm going to back up. I'm going to go forward, get that line out. I'm going to group them together, Control G, and then Control D. And you could do this mathematically, but if we just put it right here, straight down, then there's just these lines and these lines are gone. So we just have to kind of delete the center lines. Whoop, got to be a little careful. And just delete these lines. And then once you've done that, you could keep going and just have to do this one more time. I don't think really the long lines will really matters. Whoop. Got to be careful. Sometimes Corel will do that. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting lines that are going to show up. So because this is, I think I got them all. We'll take the Smart Fill tool now. And let's go ahead and set it on black and just pick right there and fill it in. Of course, you have to fill in those and those and those where it can't get to. So you've got the same exact thing, but no lines. And I didn't, in part 2, I showed how to, like a special nudge, but I think this is a lot better. And then you could always, if you wanted to, smart fill the other side. I think white looks plenty good, but you could smart fill these or actually have them, I got off the line, have them different colors. And that's, so I got a leak on that outside one. Yeah, it's just that one. I'm too close to the edge or something. And you can always figure that out. Anyway, I'd really like to know what that leak is, but I'm not going to take your time. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two. And thank you for watching.